Hey guys, it's still your girl Ahira. I'm super excited to make this video because this video is more like a correction video. Yeah, you heard me right. It's more like a correction video. I don't know if you guys remember a particular video that I talked about one particular lotion, Advanced Skin Korea. I think Advanced Korea Skin or Advanced Skin Korea. I can't remember, but yeah, I talked about this lotion and I said a lot of things about it, how it hydrates the skin, how it moisturizes, and how it's, it does a lot of things. And I laid a complaint that this particular lotion, in as much as it did all these things and I loved it, it left white patches on my skin. Not just on my skin, my arm. So let me come close so you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see that even skin tone. Can you guys see it? I'm here to review that particular lotion that cleared that white patches on my skin. So it's not other lotion than a particular lotion that has been trending. Yeah, this lotion has been trending. A lot of persons have been saying a lot of things about it, and I'm here to give my honest review. I'm here to give my honest review because this lotion did wonders for me. This lotion corrected an error that another lotion caused. You know that moment that, oh, you're using a particular lotion and you're looking for another lotion that will help correct the mess of another lotion. This is the lotion. So this lotion is not other lotion than this. Yeah, this is Aquarish. You guys know about this lotion. This lotion has been trending. A lot of persons have been saying a lot of things. I said, okay, now let me do what? Let me try it. Let me experiment it and see. And honestly, guys, this lotion is worth every single hype. Take it to anywhere. Take it anywhere. Tell them I said so. It's worth every single hype. So this is the Aquarish Hydrate Plus Protect Body Lotion Ceramide. And this particular body lotion promises a lot of things. And honestly, I'm going to say it delivered. Okay, it delivered all that it promised. Here it says strengthen the skin barrier, smooths dry skin and irritation, repairs and restores long-lasting hydration, protects against UV lightning. Honestly, this lotion is everything. It delivers. If you have dry skin, you know that skin that nothing hydrates it, nothing moisturizes it, get this particular one. This has so many varieties, okay? It has so many varieties, but this is the one that I went for because I knew what I needed. Immediately I read everything. It said strengthen skin barrier, smooth. I said, this is exactly what I needed, and I went for it. And honestly, I don't have any reason to complain. I don't have any reason whatsoever to complain because this lotion also contains SPF. Yeah, SPF 50. So which means you can wear it. Those of you that are like, oh, I don't like using lotion because I walk under the sun and this. No, this contains SPF 50, which means it's going to protect your skin from the sun. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Just take a look at my skin. Let me tell you guys something. If you don't believe anything that I said, just take a look at my skin. Just take a look at my skin. I believe my skin is doing the talking. I believe my skin is doing the talking. So guys, go get this particular one. This particular one, please screenshot it and go get it. You won't regret it. It's going to hydrate your skin. When I mean hydrate, okay. Then the other one I'll be bringing up is another variety. I just got these two here. This is Bright Plus Balance. Honestly, this one is going to brighten your skin. It's going to brighten your skin. If you want a particular lotion that is going to brighten your skin, get this particular one. It contains niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, and TXA. So which means it has all the properties that is going to brighten your skin. Here it says flawless skin, healthy skin, dark spots corrector, skin revive, blemish free skin. So if you know that you've been using this particular bleaching cream for a very long time and you're tired of using it, you're tired of using bleaching cream, and you want something that is going to brighten your skin, that is going to give you that flawless skin, please get this one. Can you guys see it? Get this particular one, and I promise you, you're not going to regret it. Start now. 2026 is not that year that you need to continue with your bleaching cream. No. 2026 is not that year that you need to continue with bleaching cream. No. Start using healthy lotions. Start using natural lotions that is going to brighten your skin. Not just brightening your skin, that is going to even out your skin, going to even out your complexion. Stop bleaching this year and get this. A lot of persons say that this lotion gave them this, gave them that, and I don't know. We have different skins, we have different reactions, but this particular one, guys, please pardon me. I'm smiling and giving all this goofy side because this lotion left me with no other choice. I had to get this two particular one, yeah, because it has 4 varieties. I don't have them. These are the ones that I got because these are the ones that I need, and I must say it's delivered. When I say delivered, I mean 100%. So if you know that you want something that is going to brighten your skin at the same time leave your skin flawless, get this one. But if you know you have, this one is not as hydrating as the first one I brought up. Yeah, this is not as hydrating as this one. This is super hydrating. Okay, so if you know you have extreme dry skin, please get this particular one. Okay, it's going to hydrate your skin for 24 hours and beyond. It's not even short. This is not short. I'm telling you the real facts. This is for free because this is what I use. And another thing is that if you know you sweat a lot, if you know you sweat a lot, please get this one. You can use this during the day and you're not going to feel. I'm someone that sweats a lot. Since I started using this one, I can boldly wear any clothes, any design, any color that I want to put on without having in mind that, oh, once I swear this is going to give me a map of Côte d'Ivoire or map of I wear it and I'm glad that I came across this lotion. So guys, if you're looking for a particular lotion that is going to hydrate your skin, not just hydrating your skin, giving you that glow, lay your hands on any of this lotion that I brought. I think they also have the Bright and Glow, which contains mulberry, and they also have another one which contains turmeric and vitamin C. I'm going to be putting them up here so you guys can see, and you can get any of them. These lotions tackles different problem. Okay, so if you know the particular issue you want to tackle, get the one that suits the issue you want to tackle. And honestly, these lotions are very good. These lotions are very good. I'm saying it with my full chest. Even if you don't believe anything that I said, take a look at my skin. My skin is going to, I believe my skin is doing the talking already. So guys, get this lotion, use it, and drop any bleaching products you've been using. Please, I'm begging. That bleaching product you're using, one day is going to cast. It will definitely cast one day, and you will be like, I was warned, I was told. Even if anybody didn't tell you, remember that Ehura said that it's going to cast one day. So please lay your hands on any of these two lotions, and I promise you, you're not going to regret it because it's going to deliver 199%. I still remain your lovely girl Ehira. Please do what to hit the subscription button. I love you all. Bye.